Hi, good evening. Hi, everyone. How's everyone doing? And today I said I was going to come on later on Friday and Saturday, so that's what I'm here. And I hope everyone is well. And I also want to say thank you for being here. If you're watching the live, and if you're watching the replay, then thank you for watching as well. So today I'm going to be diving straight into, you know it's 2025. There's a lot going on in the world, very chaotic, should I say. So I thought I'd change it up a bit and talk about some of the AI tools that can be used to help you make a side hustle, for example. Now, I'm doing an interview on Monday regarding AI, and it will be available once it's been edited, because it is a professional AI tutorial, and why AI is, what we're using now, and we need to start getting used to using it as well. So today's video, I'm going to be diving into the best, well, not the best, I'll say according to my standards, some of the best AI side hustles to earn 500 plus a day, for example, in 2025. It's possible. So welcome to today, and like I said, we're going to be diving into this. So as we know, AI is changing. It's changing the way that we work, the opportunities that we are being given, any openings that we're looking to engage with, willing to, apply for a position, for example. This will leverage you as well by using artificial intelligence. But you can also make money online with it as well. So whether you're a freelancer, a content creator, entrepreneur, or an investor, for example, there's so many things that you can do as AI, using it as your side hustle. So what are you waiting for? Okay, so in this video, I'm going to explore with you about AI powered freelancing that you can do, for example, AI driven content creation that you can do, AI e-commerce that you can do as well as AI consulting and investing opportunities as well. But you can also, there's so much you can do with AI. I mean, I could be here for days talking about all the different things that you can do AI with. You can create books, you can create guides, you can create lots of things that's going to be needed that someone wants to purchase something from you, for example. And also, some of it you can actually sell on Amazon as well. Okay? Doesn't have to be complicated. You can do little booklets, little handbooks, miniature books that people can have, just as a quick guide. There's lots of different things you can create. So I'm going to go into this in a bit more detail. So what are AI side hustles? So AI side hustles are things like, it helps you really to be flexible as well. But side hustles are money making activities that are used by artificial intelligence in terms of the tools that you're going to be using. So to automate tasks, it can come in really handy for that. For example, boost productivity, for example, and also you can create high value services. So these side hustles are flexible, scalable, and in demand as well. So with them being in demand, businesses need AI powered solutions. Like for example, I offer AI automation services for I specialize in healthcare businesses, for example, but it can be for any business as well. So it's also scalable as well. So even you can start small and then you can grow over time, for example. It's also flexible. So you can work anywhere, anytime that you want to do. Okay, so let's look at some freelancing tools that you can use AI for. Now, these are some of my favorite ones. That's why I'm mentioning it to you. Freelancing can really supercharge the work that you do using AI powered tools. So to increase your efficiency and your earning power as well. So writers and bloggers, look, you can use ChatGPT for an extent to create the content, the idea. It can do your grammar. It can do your editing for you. And it can also do SEO for you in terms of keywords optimization as well. It can also do graphic design. It's not difficult anymore. Graphic design used to be really complicated to do. You had to go to university, but with the AI tools, you can actually do graphic design from that by using by using Canva AI tool, for example, and also there's DALL-E as well to create professional visuals in minutes. Something that would take someone possibly, a week, it can be done, within minutes, for example. Now, also you can do video editing with AI powered tools like Runway, and there's Pictory that can edit and enhance videos automatically. There's also voiceover artists. You can choose a voiceover that can actually talk on your video, and it may seem a bit strange, but you get used to it. There's also AI voices from 11 Labs, for example, that lets you generate professional audio without recording. So by using these AI freelancing tools, you can deliver projects faster, take on more clients, and increase their income potential. So what is the earning potential for you? You could make up to, 500 a day, depending on what it is that you're doing, by working on multiple projects for clients, for example. So let's look at the first one, creating AI generated content. Now, AI is revolutionizing the content creation market, making it easier than ever before to create high quality content that earns you money. Blogging, which I really enjoy doing, and also copywriting. AI tools like Jasper, there's so many out there, tell you the truth, that help write engaging articles faster as well. There's also AI art and digital products. So platforms like Midjourney, Leonardo AI is really good, and it can create, and you can also sell AI generated art. And I know people that's done this as well. Listen, there's YouTube and TikTok automation, AI generated scripts, voiceovers, videos that look like real synthetic, real things, real people, should I say. And this can also help you to create content at scale by using tools like Cynthia and also Lumen 5 as well. Okay, so the earning potential, you can monetize your YouTube channel. You know, I did a video here, you'll see it here when after this live, for example, where I talked about how I was able to really treble my YouTube views within 3 days. But I grafted for that. I didn't use AI for that. And I'm just telling you that because I want to know how to do things for myself before I start implementing AI. And then I've got a good flow then, for example. So I'm on this mission. And like I said, you can create AI generated digital products as well. Like what, you know, there's lots of people that create products that can help people, for example. And also this will help you to create a passive income as well. There's also AI powered e-commerce as well. So e-commerce is really booming right now. It is like going off the charts. AI is making it more profitable. Look, you don't even have to hold any products. You can actually do, you see these video ads that say print on demand. You know, and these things, it can all be done online. You haven't got to hold any stock. You put your price, you have your price, and then they take their share, and then they deliver, package it, everything, and then you get paid. Result, you know. But there's also AI drop shipping, which there is an AI tool like Auto DS, for example. This is automate product research, listings, pricing for Shopify and Amazon, for example. And that is a whole new video that I'm going to be sharing with you. There's also chatbots and virtual assistants. AI powered chatbots handle customer service, sales, support 24/7. Now, like I said, I've got a meeting on, well, I'm doing a video on Monday, for example, talking about AI automation. And I've also got a team of people that are working on our AI automation for our clients so that we can offer that service as well.